Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing what matters. Confirm the bot token, application ID, and that the interaction scope is granted. Once done, open the developer portal and the code project. Make sure to use the correct bot token and environment variables. You should check whether commands are registered to the intended guild versus globally, because registration timing differs. Run the registration script or command now. Watch the console for success messages and note any error codes. This gets you into the active debugging cycle quickly. You next verify the runtime wiring. Open the interaction create handler and confirm it listens to the same command names and options as registered. Make sure the client is ready before registering or responding, otherwise interactions fail silently. Once done, confirm gateway intents and permissions. A missing intent can block events. Make sure to log incoming payloads and HTTP responses so you can see whether Discord delivers the interaction and whether your endpoint replies within 3 seconds. You finish by ensuring your bot returns an acknowledgement within 3 seconds. If processing takes longer, send a deferred response, then follow up. Make sure webhook endpoints are reachable, SSL certificates valid, and that any tunnel like ngrok remains active. Once done, run the interaction in the target guild and observe logs. Make sure to capture Discord error payloads. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Check response status codes and the interaction token. Often a 401 or 404 reveals token mismatch or expired registration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.